me again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have lots of videos and stuff. But anyway, you hear it on every channel. And my channel comes with stains all over my shirt. I have a taco stain here too. I didn't dress up for this video. This video, if I don't get eaten alive by little miniature mosquitoes that are just trying to suck the blood out of me, I have a little Honda haul. I picked up some Honda parts. This I picked up off on eBay because it's a light cover. It is in fine condition. It was cheap. I have another one which looks like it. I got this one mostly because the holes are not wrecked on the side, so it's in good shape. I'm going to put it on that bike and try to get some nice part. I'm planning on replacing the rack, and this part was destroyed. I'm dreading doing the front rack, but it's getting there. I picked up this. That's part of the Honda thing. I don't want to wreck that. I also got this in the mail. It is a trunk lid. Meyer Plastics. Brand new trunk lid. And hopefully it matches. The color never does justice in the bag until you open it up and secretly look at the thing. See, now it's got a nice... See? It looks red in there, but it looks more cherry red in the other bag. I don't want to... If anybody doesn't know anything about three-wheelers on here, if you have an old 86, 85, 87, or almost every type of big red, you can buy Repro plastics. They seem to be just as good as the older ones. They're not exactly the same. They don't always fit up perfectly, but Meyer makes really good ones. And I'm impressed. See, it was a little, a couple of bolts, but it's plastic and you can drill a little hole bigger. So this is going on that 87. The rack is going to come off, or I might just put it on now, but it's eventually going to get switched out because this rack that is sitting next to me is going to get blasted, probably welded, retapped, repainted, and then it's going to be put on that one. And then all of this is going to change. There's also one more thing about this, which is, find it, where did I put it? Where did I put it? I picked up a, let me bend the camera down a little bit so I can show you what I got here. So here. Let me show you what I got. I also got a few more Honda parts. Yeah, I totally prepared for this video. Yeah. Sure, totally prepared. So anyway, let's bend this down here so you can see. Can you see my bench? Yeah. Bench video. Come on, camera. Okay. Put this over here. I picked up a bag of goodies. The other Honda thing I got it cheap. Whoever sold this to me, thank you. I won't mention your name, but I picked up not one, but two original, what do you call it? The knobs that hold your fenders on. These are in nice shape. Right now it's got repros on it. So the dude sold me these two, which are pretty awesome. I also got two brand spanking new pivot bolts because they're hard to find. Well, they're not brand new, but they're used. That's a copper washer. In here, I also got I'll show you. The gas tank bracket right here. I didn't want this, but they sold to me anyway. And there's the gas tank hold down screw. So this is like chunky, but I think this goes in the gas tank, and then this goes like this, and then it screws in to hold the gas tank down. That's the gas tank bracket. I bought another one off somebody else on eBay, so I got two of those. The cool part next, which is the next part, you put this back in the bag. All right, this part is the fun part. That in the bag. This part is ordered off of one of the Honda sites. These are brand new fender rubbers for the bike. There's 4 for one side, 4 for the other. There's brand new fender washers. Go in the back, genuine Honda washers. There's 4 and supposed to be 4. There's 4 and 4 of those. 4, 4, and 4. These are basically. I'll show you. That's the other one. They are the. Well, anyway, if you watch some of my other videos, you'll know that the other ones are finished. They're completely rusty. There's brand new bolts for them. Brand new bolts. I think these are all the right size bolts. There's some other bolts for some other stuff in here. Also, I picked up a brand new drain plug with a brand new aluminum washer. Really didn't have to, but you know what? Everybody says use a copper washer, and I don't know if it's not metallic. I could have bought one of those metallic ones at the metal with the magnet in there, but you know what? I bought an original, genuine Honda one. So here's all the bolts. I think these are for the back luggage rack. Not sure. These are for the fenders. So that is the. Oh no, I got one more thing too. On top of all those Honda parts, when I took the rear, what do you call it? When I took the bike apart and took the engine guard off, I stripped out 2 bolts in the back, so I got to drill out that. But I also picked up one of these. Dun, da, da, da. A nice. It's not rusty. Well, it's not dented. It's crusty, but it's in nice shape. I wanted the shape. I didn't want one that was too badly abused, because I already got 2 that look like they came out of a wrecking yard. And the creme de la creme that I have of this, which the same gentleman who sold me the knobs sold me this, which is, ta-da! This is a very nice, I don't know, it's probably 35 years old with the bolt too. A rear muffler. It's got the wording on it. I'm just going to clean up all the rusty spots on it. Maybe bead blast a few things here, and then I'm going to put it on the bike. So yeah, it's every single muffler I've seen so far. I'll show you what the problem is with the mufflers. This is how most mufflers come. Usually popcorn welds. It's got stitches, and usually this end's rotted out. This one I could probably save, but I gotta see the front. I'm not sure. I don't even think the front of this is original. I think it's a hodgepodge. It doesn't even look original. Looks like somebody martyred this one. So I have a piece of another one. The front part of the mufflers are all okay. Most of the times I've seen. I have a front end, but I have a nice muffler, so I'm gonna spray it with some high heat black paint, flat black paint, change that muffler, take the front off, and do the whole muffler. Am I going like full resto on this bike? Not yet. Not yet. I want to get this bike looking in decent shape, the front end changed, the bearings, and get all the things going. Then I'll work on it later. But for now, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna put a new seat cover on it soon. I have a new seat cover. I'll change that one. The tank, I would like to restore one. Oh, and I also picked up this stuff. I'm going to lead a tank soon. Yeah, it's gonna be my first experiment. I'm gonna put lead all over it. See if I can paint it and make it look pretty. After I'm done making it look pretty, I'm gonna see if I can do a pretty sloppy paint, because that's usually what comes out. I shouldn't knock myself. I've done some pretty okay paint jobs. But with that said, that's the Honda review for what I got for Honda. There's not much else really. That's what I got in this week. I should add a few other things in this thing. I also picked up a, what is this, $5 oil thing here. What's it called? Funnel. Yeah. Comes with a funnel which goes, I guess, on like this. The reason why I bought a new one is because I can't find my old one, and my other ones leak everywhere. So this isn't too bad. It's got a little cap on the end so it doesn't leak everywhere. So I think I bought it at Runnings or somewhere. Flow Tools. Mizuano. Made in the USA. This is it. Hencho. Yep. Hencho EUA. So that's... got that. The bike has been dripping oil out of the engine for at least a week now. So I got to put the drain plug back in, pop some oil in it. I'm going to run the whatever oil I have left here. Probably have to get another one through the engine. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to flush the engine out. Use that to flush the engine out, then I'm going to put Honda oil in it. So I'm going to clean it out first. And I think that's it. Oh, wait. And then, yeah. That's pretty much it for all the Honda stuff. So if you like Hondas, you like messing around with Hondas, you like driving them, just subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of other better channels in mine with Hondas. One of my favorites, in case you're wondering, is This Old Trike. If you watch that thing, I think his name's Preston. He has a wild collection. I don't want a big collection. I have no place to put it, and I'm not like, rolling with the homies, and I don't think there's enough bikes out there left to collect anyway. Because all you hoarders have all the bikes. Well, they're hoarders, they're preservationists. Yeah, we'll call them that. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and kill that like button.